Okay, I'm going to introduce the factor theorem to you. So the factor theorem says that the function of an x value a is equal to 0, then x take away a is a factor. Okay, that's the factor theorem. Alright, what does that mean? Let's say we have a polynomial. I'm going to use a quadratic, so let's say f is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 3. And if we were to solve the x-intercepts of this function f, we would factorize it and say that we have x plus 3, x plus 1, and we would take this function and make it equal to 0. Okay? And the null factor law says that either the left product is equal to 0, or the right product is equal to 0, or both would have to equal 0. Okay, so if the left product is equal to 0, then x would have to equal negative 3. If the right product is equal to 0, then x would have to equal negative 1. And so in this quadratic, we have x-intercepts at negative 1 and negative 3. And so the quadratic looks like this. Okay, where the x-intercepts are negative 1 and negative 3, just like that. So, coming back to the factor theorem says that if we plug in an a value, and in this case, a could be negative 3 or negative 1, it's got to be one of the roots, then x take away a is a factor, and we can see that here. If a is equal to negative 3, x plus 3 is the factor. If a is equal to negative 1, x plus 1 is the factor. That's the factor theorem.